Hello and welcome to Zulf Photography. If you're here to find a cheap budget wireless mic setup for your DSLR camera, then you're in the right place. What I've got here is an unboxing I'll go through quickly, and then I'll show you some actual sample footage and audio from this mic setup. So just to let you know, this mic has been sent to me to review and test. It's been sent to me free. I haven't been paid for the video, so this is my honest opinion about what I think. So what I will do in this video is I'll have different segments where I'll actually show you how the headset performs versus the lavalier mic and how I'm setting it up on my DSLR camera. So I'll put timestamps in the description so you can skip ahead if you don't want to watch all the other boring stuff and just look at the bits you're interested in. I'll also put a link to the Amazon shop where I've got it from and a link in the comments. Okay, so here we go. This is a test of the 5D Mark II with the FiFine Fine wireless microphone, and the camera is currently about 12 feet away from me, and the wireless connection is plugged directly into that. While I'll do a quick setup. So what I'm doing with this mic is I've actually got it set on manual in the camera, and there's quite a lot of wind at the moment, so you may pick that up, you may not. We'll test that. I want to quickly show you the setup here so you'll see how I've arranged this. So the actual mic fits behind, so that actually rests on your sideburn, not on your ear. It's not an earpiece, it's more just to stabilize it. So you can see now I've got freedom of movement while I'm recording, and in case you wear glasses, you can see they fit comfortably as well, so you can actually set that up and then put the glasses on afterwards. So this is the microphone setup, and I've got the system plugged up here. So what we'll do is I'll change this microphone now, see if I can give you an example of what the lavalier would sound like. So obviously now that I'm walking about, it shouldn't give you any interruption there. Possibly now it will do when I plug that in. So I'm going to unplug this. There's a little button on the back of it. And now I've plugged in the lavalier mic. So it's not that, it's just this one here now. So this would fit here and you would talk as normal. So that's a quick comparison of the... Okay, so I've changed to the lavalier mic, and I'm at the moment about 10 feet away from the camera. I'm just going to walk down in the opposite direction and see how far the distance it can capture my audio. So I'm still walking away from the camera. I'll spin around. That's maybe 30 feet away from the camera. I wouldn't normally feel comfortable leaving the camera anyway and walking away too far anyway. So if it's capturing this and there's no interference, then I think we should be good. So right now I've got the microphone plugged into the FiFine Fine, and I've got the receiver on top of the DSLR. So that is fairly far away right now. I'm saying that's going to be what, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 feet maybe. So what I'll do is I'll carry on walking. I'm on the 5D Mark II, and I've got a 50mm 1.4 lens on there, and that's what you're listening to now. So what I'll do is I'll walk past and see how that sounds. I've got some crosswind coming over from the fence here. There's a main road just maybe 100 yards that way and a main road that way, so you should hear traffic or you may hear some noise, but providing my audio is clear enough to understand, I think it's a win for this FiFine Fine lavalier wireless setup, because you won't have to post-process it and link up the audio because it's recording directly to the camera. So fairly happy with that. I'll do a little bit of movement just to see how it reacts to that. I have got the lavalier mic as opposed to the headset, so let's see how this